And first at 5 tonight, unsealed court documents give us a better picture of what led up to a baby's death in Norwalk.
The baby's mother and the mother's father are both charged. We have team coverage tonight as we dig deeper into this case. We start with KCCI's Kayla James, who's been looking over the court documents in the case. Kayla.
Stacey James, we know the baby, a boy, was alive for a number of days and left uncared for. Those new documents showing what the suspects say happened, leading to his death. Now, we want to warn you at home, what you're about to hear may be disturbing. Court documents show Megan told police she gave birth to a baby boy on February 24th at home. Her dad, Rodney, says he came home from work that day and that the baby was, quote, moving like a baby. When initially asked what happened, both Megan and Rodney said the baby died on the way to the hospital. But as the investigation went on, court documents show that wasn't the case. Megan admitting after the baby was born, she put him in a box, did not touch or care for the baby for 2 days, and heard him cry off and on. 2 days later, February 26th, is when Rodney allegedly put the baby, who was still alive, in a trash bag. Megan says the baby was still alive for several minutes before he stopped moving. Sometime after is when they threw the baby in a ditch just south of Norwalk. Court records show this all came to light starting March 8th when Megan's co-workers contacted Norwalk police. The investigation went on for 5 days, with both Megan and Rodney first telling police a different story before they got to the bottom of it. Both of them have been charged with first-degree murder. Stacey?
Kayla, thank you. The city of Norwalk says the house where the court documents say the murder happened has been a nuisance for months. KCCI's Bo Bowman is live in Norwalk with what he has learned about the history of the problem property.
Well, Stacey, the Stodds lived here on Center Street in Norwalk, and you can see behind me here on the house, on all the entrances, those yellow pieces of paper, those are notices that it is unsafe to occupy. The city of Norwalk started this process last year, filing a petition against the owner, Rodney Stodd, who claimed the main structure is deteriorating and is a public nuisance. It also asked all of the people living here to vacate. In the filing, the city asked the court to require Stodd to fix the issues or turn the property over to the city to be demolished and leveled. The criminal complaint says it was here where officers found the baby's placenta and other signs of birth. Neighbors say the home has been an eyesore for a long time.
Run down, kind of just disrepair.
Not something you'd point out and go, oh, there's something going on wrong there, but definitely not a normal house.
We did reach out to the city of Norwalk asking for a comment on what's next for the property here on Center Street, but they declined that interview. We're live in Norwalk. Bo Bowman, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
Every state has some form of safe haven law. This allows the surrender of a newborn to a designated person or place without fear of prosecution. In Iowa, parents are given 90 days to leave an infant at a hospital or health care facility. A parent can also call 911 to surrender the child. More than 50 children have been declared safe haven since the Iowa law was enacted in 2002.